What's the meaning of Chief of Defense Staff? Chief of Defense Staff. Chief of Defense Staff.
Chief of Defense Staff. Chief of Defense Staff. Chief of Defense Staff is a high-ranking official who acts as the principal military advisor to the government. They are responsible for coordinating and leading all branches of the armed forces in a country. The Chief of Defense Staff ensures that the military operates efficiently, effectively, and in accordance with government policies and directives. They oversee strategic planning, budgeting, personnel management, and training programs. In short, the Chief of Defense Staff is the top military leader in a country, serving as a key liaison between the military and the government.